Every creation begins with an idea. For Ikono, that idea was to create two unique experiential spaces in Berlin and Copenhagen. Two universes designed by leading creators, where the dreamlike mingles with the real, designed for extraordinary experiences. The challenge? To turn dreams into reality, taking care of every detail, with precision and in record time. Our response? 20 installations in two different cities, Berlin and Copenhagen. International logistical coordination from Madrid. More than 30 professionals involved in the project, 3D designers, modelers, and a multidisciplinary production team. Architects, carpenters, environmental lighting specialists, painters, a total of 25 different materials and finishes, and a record assembly time, just 27 days. The result? Two experiential spaces where the Ikono brand comes to life beyond the conventional. 12 atmospheres with unique identities, where every detail stays true to the original design. And more than 200,000 visitors in the first year, each enjoying an impeccable immersive experience. Because our passion is producing creative ideas with precision and excellence. For everything. Shall we talk?